it's your girl Ord here with another video. So, returning subscribers, welcome back. New subscribers, welcome to the channel, y'all. So this video is gonna be an unboxing. I got this cute little bob that I'm gonna be working with. Ow. But first, if you have not already, please subscribe below. It's free. Subscribe. If you're here and you're watching, that means you like my content. Show me that you love it by hitting that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you know when my next videos are coming. And now let's get into this video. Alright, so I got a wig from a Amazon company. It seemed like Amazon been really popping lately, like for wigs. Like, I'm just not even kidding. For bundles and wigs, Amazon is stepping their game up. It's not just those little wax synthetic wigs that really look like trash. Now it's actually good wigs. So I got this wig from a company called Atoz Wigs. This is a bob. It's a 4x4 lace front bob. It is, I believe, 12 inches. So this is how it comes. It comes in a little bag. It comes in another bag. And also with the wig, they gave me a weaving cap. So let's touch this wig. Alright. So this is her. As you guys can see, first and foremost, look at how thick it is. It's so nice and thick. Oh, that's beautiful. So it's like, okay, this is not a frontal wig. It's like a closure wig. Let me show you guys the inside. You see, like, this is the lace part. This part here I'm gonna cut out, and then it's the lace in there. But this is where the lace is only, just right here in the middle. It would have been nice if it was a frontal, but it's a bob, so I would have worn middle part anyway. See it? Yeah. Alright, this is a beautiful, like, I can't believe how thick it is. So what I want to do with this wig is I want to put pink streaks in this bob. Like, I'm not sure. It doesn't say anything about how it colors. There's no card in there. But, whatever. We're going to try it. I'm going to do a little strand test and see if I can make some of this blonde so I could turn that look a little pink or whatever. You already know how I feel about pink. But yes. So this wig so far is really soft. I am petting it like crazy. I'm not getting any shedding, which is wonderful. And it's so thick. Like, I feel like I might have to shear it out a bit. That's how thick it is, but wow. So this is really nice hair. Like, it's not even, because, you know, I tried ordering wigs from Amazon, but this was like before it got good. And I would get it, the hair would be so thin and awful. Like, it wouldn't feel nice. It would just be trash hair. But this is absolutely beautiful. So this is the unboxing for this wig. If you guys liked it, let's see what, I don't know. I think I'll film myself doing the pink. Like, it's because I'm not gonna do too much. It'll just either just be on the tips, or it'll just be like highlights throughout the wig. Something simple like that, where it's just a little pop of color, but I'll still be able to wear it. You know, it won't be like something that I only could wear on an occasion. It'll be a wearable color. So, if you liked this unboxing for this Atoz bob, I'll link all the information down below with the price and everything for this wig. And like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.